Well, we chose the Bolo Stick because one year we were examining all of our options, and there were many products on the market. And one of the things we considered was the ease of use. Now, it's real easy to consider the ease of use when you're doing a drill, but we tried to replicate what would it be like to use this in an environment where tensions were high. What if it was a real life situation, a scenario where people were nervous, scared, and were trying to act quickly? Is this product is it easy to use? Will it bind? Does it got enough clearance in the device so that someone could implement the device quickly, easily, to keep the classroom safe? And we felt of all the devices we tested that the Bolo Stick offered that. It's got plenty of tolerance for the pin, a lot of clearance, won't bind, and so in a rush, we don't have to worry about something failing or not happening because of how fast we're trying to move or how nervous someone might be.
We felt that it was the best quality device that was out there. We went ahead and looked at a couple of other pieces of equipment. One was called the Bearacade, and we felt for the quality of the device, it was the best one that we felt existed. We also felt it was going to be the easiest one for our teachers to use and also for our maintenance staff to install. So yeah, it's a very, very high quality piece of equipment. It takes our maintenance staff about 20 minutes to install, and in the end, if it were ever needed, it would only take somebody picking up the pin, dropping it into the hole, and it would be done, which is a lot simpler than some of the other devices that are out there.
It was the easiest and most simplistic method. I had a couple of prototypes of other devices sent to me. They were bulky, hard to use, and they all required the teacher to actually go out, open the door to put on, which put them in harm's way. The Bolo Stick was easy to use and able to be done from inside the classroom.
It is, to me, the optimal device that's on the market for us to make sure that we keep the students as safe as we possibly can and that our staff feels secure at the same time. And we know specifically where it actually aligns in the door, and no matter what floor you have, it goes into the floor to be secure. And we know that the device itself in the alignment of the door and the strike plate makes it very difficult for anyone to even acknowledge or know that there's something in place. So even if they were to shoot out the lock, there's no one who would have any idea that there's a device in the floor that's keeping that door secured. I'm proud of the fact that we have people that are inside of our schools and in the community that recognize that safety and improvement of our safety measures is very important. I'm also excited that we have someone who's within the community who's worked on and invented this Bolo Stick, and it's one of those things that he recognized as a police officer, a teacher, and someone who now is an inventor of a device that he cares so much and has that compassion for children and their safety that it's carried on through his career and even beyond. So I'm excited about that fact to be a part of it, but I'm also unbiased in it. I have done my homework and I've done my research, and it's definitively, to me, the best device that's out there on the market to make sure that we can ensure safety and security for our students and staff.